Hello viewers, most modern laptops can work with the Cricut Maker, Explore Air, Air 2, Joy without running into any issues. But why get the one that is just compatible when you can get a much better machine that provides high performance without breaking the bank? Whether you are a beginner or an expert at precision crafting, the laptops in this list will keep up with the performance so that you can focus on your work. For those who don't know about electronic cutting machines, we're going to explain a bit about them. Check out our list of the best laptop for Cricut Maker, Explore Air, and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. ASUS VivoBook 15 Thin. Hands down, the VivoBook 15 from ASUS is the best portable laptop for all Cricut machines. ASUS takes laptop innovation to the next level and even fulfills diverse laptop requirements for Cricut machines and Cricut's proprietary design space. At the core, you have an AMD-optimized processor, boasting turbo clock speeds of up to 4 GHz. The AMD Ryzen R7 3700U chipset might be mid-range but capable of easing through every Cricut-friendly design via Photoshop, Illustrator, and other resources. The quad-core processor is perfectly complemented by the integrated AMD Radeon Vega 10 graphics card. Even though it's an integrated GPU with the added 8 GB of RAM, this laptop will not disappoint you when it comes to the Cricut design space tasks. Coming to the storage, there is a 512 GB SSD unit in place, which readily adheres to the Cricut Explore Air 2 requirements. Besides, the VivoBook 15 runs Windows 10 OS right of the box. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. HP Pavilion X360. The new and optimized HP Pavilion X360 is arguably the best 2-in-1 laptop for Cricut makers. While there is a lot going on for this notebook, as tested by our team of experts at Laptop 251, the way it handles Cricut design space is second to none. Under the hood, HP houses the graphics-optimized i5-1035G1 processor. This Intel Core chipset doesn't look like a lot, but offers decent processing firepower for all your Cricut crafting needs. Not just that, the quad-core architecture, followed by the hyper-threading technology, allows you to go about the Photoshop designs with precision. Moreover, the HP Pavilion X360 also accommodates the GeForce 940MX graphics card, allowing you to stay ahead with the design-specific requirements of the Cricut Maker. This GPU speeds up the graphics-accelerated designing processes, thereby adhering to the embossing and engraving requirements of the artisan in you. You also get hold of 8 GB RAM, which processes designs, files, and design space uploads at 3200 MHz. The ultra-fast chunk of system memory is complemented by the 512 GB solid-state drive. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop. Are you still confused about purchasing a Cricut-friendly laptop that doesn't burn a hole in the pocket? Worry not, as the second product on the list, i.e. the Acer Aspire 5, comes forth as one of the better investments to make. Starting out, Acer prefers keeping the feature sets strictly conventional with the Ryzen 7 3700U chipset. The 12nm mobile SoC assumes boosted clock speeds of up to 4 GHz and offers 4 cores to work with. Therefore, the elementary Cricut processes that involve designs via apps like Silhouette Studio and Adobe Illustrator can be managed without breaking a sweat. Moreover, as we mentioned, a dedicated GPU isn't required for running Cricut design space. Therefore, the Radeon RX Vega 10 graphics coprocessor will do just fine. Acer accommodates 8 GB of RAM, which is good enough for managing the Cricut professional workload. However, this might not suffice if you are looking at it as crafting, creating, and uploading designs in design space requires a massive chunk of system memory. 512 GB of storage space is more than enough for crafting designs you might create in other software. As a majority of designs and patterns are uploaded to the cloud, courtesy of the Cricut design space, laptop requirements for Cricut is hardly bottlenecked by lack of storage space. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Dell Inspiron 15 5502. The Dell Inspiron 15 5502 comes with a fast processor and has ample RAM. It not only meets but exceeds the display resolution requirements required to run the Cricut design space. So if you are looking for a budget laptop that can run with the Cricut machines, such as the Explore and Joy, then this is the one for you. It is an excellent choice for casual movie watching. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD display. It is a well-constructed silver color laptop with an intelligent and ergonomic design. It is fitted with a 2.4 GHz Intel Core i5 quad-core processor with an 8 GB DDR and 512 GB SSD, which increases the efficiency and makes the performance seamless and fast. The laptop also comes with an HD webcam and a dual microphone, which makes video calls easy. It has Max Audio Pro audio to give you the best music experience. The SD media card reader helps you to transfer files quickly from the device to your laptop. It also has a headphone and microphone combo jack with high-quality built-in speakers. The laptop has an operating system of Windows 10 Home and can also be a good option for playing and streaming games on platforms like Twitch using devices like Elgato Game Capture. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. MSI Modern 14A10M. What is the best laptop to buy for a Cricut Maker? For us, it has to be the one with the best color reproduction, something that the MSI Modern 14 takes pride in. However, the OEM doesn't compromise other highs to accommodate a brilliant display, and the entire spec sheet is class-leading, to say the least. Powering the laptop is the Intel Core i5 10210U Mobile SoC that can reach maximum clock speeds of up to 4.2 GHz. Despite being a mid-range, low-power processor, it can still help you design Cricut-ready designs via Design Space. The 8 GB DDR4 RAM is pretty snappy and makes the Modern 14 quick to boot and provides enough firepower for your crafting needs. Storage-wise, the 512 GB SSD is a price-justified addition, best known for loading the Design Studio and the Windows 10 OS in virtually no time. The display, as mentioned, steals the show with the 14-inch panel exhibiting the 72% NTSC color gamut. Paired with a 1080p panel, the featured display helps you view the exact colors and design patterns, making Modern 14 one of the best laptops for Cricut Maker. This gadget also stacks in a backlit keyboard, powerful speakers, and a true color panel for added display-focused productivity. Moreover, this ultralight laptop weighs a mere 2.62 pounds, making it one of the easiest options to carry around. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.